Instant film cameras have made a strong comeback, combining retro charm with modern convenience. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a traveler, or someone who loves capturing memorable moments instantly, these cameras offer a fun and creative experience. The best instant film cameras provide high-quality prints, user-friendly features, and stylish designs. Some models come with automatic exposure control, built-in selfie modes, and Bluetooth connectivity for digital enhancements. Brands like Fujifilm, Instax, Polaroid, and Kodak dominate the space with their iconic designs and vibrant film prints. In this list, we'll explore the top 6 best instant film cameras, helping you choose the perfect one for capturing your favorite moments in a tangible, vintage-inspired format. Number 1. Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo is a hybrid instant camera that blends the charm of classic instant photography with modern digital features. Designed for creativity, it offers 10 lens effects and 10 film effects, allowing users to experiment with 100 different shooting combinations. The 3.0-inch LCD screen lets you preview and edit shots before printing on Instax Mini Film. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can print photos directly from your smartphone using the Instax Mini Evo app. The camera delivers high-quality, richly detailed prints while maintaining a stylish, retro-inspired design. Featuring built-in rechargeable battery, selfie mirror, and manual controls, it's a perfect choice for those who love instant photography with a digital twist. Number 2. Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 is a stylish and easy-to-use instant camera, perfect for capturing memories in credit card-sized prints. It features automatic exposure, adjusting brightness and shutter speed based on lighting conditions, ensuring well-lit photos even in low light. The built-in selfie mode with a pull-out lens and selfie mirror makes it ideal for self-portraits and close-up shots. Designed for simplicity and convenience, it offers a one-button operation, making it beginner-friendly. Available in a sleek charcoal gray color, it has a compact, ergonomic design for comfortable handling. The Instax Mini 11 is perfect for parties, travel, and creative photography, delivering instant fun with high-quality prints in seconds. Number 3. Polaroid Go Generation 2 Mini Instant Camera. The Polaroid Go Generation 2 is a compact and portable instant camera designed for on-the-go creativity. As the smallest Polaroid camera, it retains the brand's classic retro charm while offering modern enhancements. The film bundle includes 16 instant photos, so you can start capturing memories right away. Featuring double exposure mode, self-timer, and an improved flash, this camera ensures vivid, high-quality prints in any lighting condition. The built-in selfie mirror and longer-lasting battery make it perfect for spontaneous shots and extended adventures. Its white, minimalist design adds a stylish touch, making it a great companion for travelers, creatives, and instant photography lovers. Capture moments in a unique and tangible way with the Polaroid Go Generation 2. Number 4. Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 in chalk white is a stylish and easy-to-use instant camera that delivers larger square prints for a classic Polaroid-style look. Designed for simplicity, it features automatic exposure control, ensuring bright, clear photos in various lighting conditions. With a one-touch selfie mode and built-in selfie mirror, capturing perfect self-portraits is effortless. The ergonomic grip enhances handling, making it comfortable to use for extended photography sessions. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or candid moments, the SQ1 produces high-quality instant prints with rich colors and sharp details. Its sleek, modern design and chalk white finish make it a fashionable accessory for instant photography lovers, perfect for travel, events, and creative expression. Number 5. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera in mint green is a fun, stylish, and easy-to-use instant film camera that delivers high-quality credit card-sized prints in seconds. Designed for effortless photography, it features automatic exposure control, ensuring well-lit and clear shots in different lighting conditions. The built-in selfie mirror and one-touch selfie mode make capturing self-portraits simple, while the close-up mode allows for stunning detail in macro shots. With its compact and lightweight design, the Instax Mini 12 is perfect for travel, parties, and everyday moments. The instant print feature brings your memories to life instantly, making it a great choice for scrapbook lovers and instant photography enthusiasts. Number 6. Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax, a Mini 40 instant camera, is a retro-inspired, stylish instant camera designed for easy, on-the-go photography. It features automatic exposure control, ensuring well-balanced shots in various lighting conditions. The built-in selfie mode and selfie mirror make capturing perfect self-portraits effortless. Just pull out the lens, and you're ready to go. Using Instax mini film, it produces credit card-sized prints instantly, making it great for scrapbooking, journaling, or sharing memories with friends. With its classic black and silver design, the Instax Mini 40 combines a vintage aesthetic with modern convenience. Perfect for travel, parties, or everyday moments, this compact and user-friendly camera is ideal for instant photography lovers.